It's your beautiful soul mommy, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, feel at home and feel welcome. And oops, sorry. Sorry to myself. And today it's all about you really don't want to know. Beach players. Yeah, baby. We are going to the beach today. I'm going to show you one of the beaches in Mombasa. Yeah, I was just seated at home bored and I decided, what can I do? Let me go to the beach. Yeah, so I'm gonna be going to the beach with my sisters. Don't worry, kuna joto hii Mombasa, ile jua inawaka huku nje ni mingi sana. And sina tokens and sitaki kulipa tokens juu I want my fridge to be frozen. So acha tu ni kufe na hii joto cause at the end of the day natoka. So let me take you all to the beach and see you there. So first of all, we're gonna start with the outfit for the day. See what I'm wearing. Like a bear. I like boo. I look good. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, a black top and a palazzo and some sandals. Obviously, when you're going to the beach, you need some sandals. I would have worn a hat, but I cannot put a hat over this puffy. I want to go wash even my hair with sand. Yeah, please, I'm gonna be swimming. Yeah, I need to be swimming. But guys, don't judge my swimming techniques. Msini judge. Yeah, nimezaliwa Mombasa, nimekulia Mombasa, but my swimming, imagine nimejua kuswim last year. So, na nimejua kuswim kwa pool, kwa beach bado. Msini judge. Whatever you see, that is the fish in the beach. Let's go!
Let's go to the beach. Make we have a party for the sun.
As you can see, I'm also beginning to the border to the stage, then the stage we take a matatu to the beach. So I had to buy a mask because I did not have one when I left home. So I bought a mask and I have to be careful. Someone can just take my phone. Kutoka kwa dirisha. My cousin is there, a friend of mine, and my sister is going to sit somewhere. So we are picking people through the way as we go home. Yeah. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tia, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hey yo, this is my. Huyu anaitwa niece ama nephew?
Nephew in English.
In English, mblana anaitwa nephew. Yeah, asan to my sister. It is his birthday. Ti mambo. My look alike. Mimi kwa tu sisi ni my light skin. This is my sister, this is our friend. Kumbe kulikuwa na keki and that I didn't know. The team, we are going to the beach. Actually, I didn't know it was going to be a birthday and right now I'm supposed to give out presents. And that was what. Na mimi mwenyewe niko tu. Mimi tu niko so broke. But anyway, let's go to the beach and cut the cake and swim and eat whatever is inside there, the snacks and all that. We're gonna take a tuk-tuk. Yeah, we do bajajis and tuk-tuk in Mombasa. To you, tunaenda use kama by use. Hey. Sawa. Tumekubaliana mia daddy. Sawa, twende. Unajua lazima tu bargain. We are going with zinaitwaje budget. Tuna banana kwa hiyo tuk-tuk watu 4, nganganeni. Na mjue tusikutane na polisi.
Kaende wewe. Tapigia mbele kaini. Nivumilie.
Mimi kama kuna hapo
Nisinaonekana.
Sijatoka mweupe. Kai mogoka twende tukatafune pole pole the beach. That is what we are known for. Watu wa Mombasa. Ni hapa. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. Kama hatungekula keki leo. Hakungekuwa na birthday. So, lakini Lucinda wakati
Baki nikauke. Kakona kafua.
Ulipata rangi wewe.
Nilipata rangi.
Mimi sijai muona. Tumekaya tunashaka. Naweza nikamwambia alipe mahari hata kama hataki.
Nilimwambia umekuwa 100 simu. Nani? Dampa la kumpa. Huyo Samia sasa tena kumwona baki. Si hata kumuona. Ita twende. Paka na mivuka. Paka na shangazi wanamuona.
And someone just made a rhino out of sand. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? See the beach. It's the beach. It's pretty, y'all. And I'm gonna swim. There's no many people. I'm not Twinkie, so I'm gonna swim. Yep. Ready at the beach, we are eating farfar. They're called farfar, I guess. This thing. Au msema za watoto, mimi mtu mzima nakula. You know them? I love them. Migos. This is Migos ama nini? Farfar.
Angalia hapa imeandikwa nini?
Hivyo sana nataka keki ya Saturday.
Wow. Huyu ni nani?
Hi guys. Her cousin. Mimi ni mdogo but unaona na kama mama yake. Nakula vizuri. This is my son, the birthday boy. He's turning 3 years.
Wakaona mlie mtoto keki imejaza blue band. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that, by the way. I didn't mean to shout that. I'm really sorry about that. Kutafuta beach.
Ameenda post kuna meli imeingia leo.
Ameenda kutafuta beach. So it was just it was just a perfect day at the beach, and I love you all so much. It's your beautiful soul mommy, and I say thank you for always supporting me, always commenting, always sharing. What else? Keep subscribing, thumbs up every other time, and I love you all. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. Kawapi hiyo ni English ya wapi? Hata kama kisukui ya yeye. Oh, I know. One person is supposed to wear one mask. Yeah. So until next time, thank you so much. I love you all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tim. Happy birthday to you.
3 years.
Yes. Jamani. Jamani nimeshika.
Ouch. Hii keki ni tamu. Ameka nini?